This is day number 29 of the YouTube challenge, and I want to talk to you about public speaking and why it is the most underrated tool at your disposal for growing and building a fan base, celebrity, and referrals. When you speak at a legal seminar, whether it's national, regional, county, statewide, you have the endorsement of the organization as the star. So people are looking at you as an authority and a celebrity even before you get up. There's nothing that you can do wrong as a public speaker. So the question is, how can you get public speaking gigs to grow and build your law firm? What I do is I created a website called heroicspeech.com, and basically what I do on there is I put a little bit about my speaking experience, the different topics that I speak about. And so, there's different topics I speak about, using a book to build a law firm here, handling tough issues, how to handle complex personal injury cases, marketing, internet marketing, different topics that I discuss. And then what you do is you keep building to this website. Speaking fees. So I share with anyone who wants the different fees that I charge for speaking and what's included in each fee. I also include a little bit of the reviews where people have commented about my speeches and the best way to contact me as well. So all of that, pretty simple website. A little bit of video is in here from some of my speaking gigs. A little bit of background, reviews here are mixed in. And basically short, sweet, and simple. The reason we set this up is because people want to know that if you are a nationally recognized speaker, you should have a website just about speaking, showing what you are. And then if you want a speaking gig at the annual convention of the American Association for Justice, just send people to your website. Here's the organizations I've spoken for. Here's a little bit about my past events. And a little secret with the speaking fees, you can always give a reduced fee for everything. So if you ordinarily charge $3,000, $5,000, you could reduce that to $1,500 plus expenses. But having a website gives you added authority. And I want to give you one other thing. There's an organization called Heroic Public Speaking that does a phenomenal job at teaching speakers how to speak. Amy Port and her husband Michael are just dynamite. So if you want to learn outside the box speaking, a very unique way that's based upon storytelling and based upon vulnerability and courage and doing things that are completely different than other speakers, what I'd recommend is what's called Heroic Public Speaking Course. It's a 2-day speaking event. It's fantastic. They have this about once every month. And then they have a Heroic Public Speaking grad, which is a little bit more advanced. But, I wouldn't do a speech without first consulting with one of the consultants or Amy Port or any of the other teachers at Heroic Public Speaking. They are fantastic. So if you want to take your public speaking to the next level, contact Amy Port at Heroic Public Speaking. Build out a website. And if you don't have anyone interested in having you speak for their lawyer organization, go to your county bar association, pick a date where they've got nothing going on, tell them that you got a speech about internet marketing or anything to do with the practice that might appeal to lawyers in their organization. And set it up, say I'm running it free to your members, I'll pay for the CLE credits, and then the county bar association will promote and sponsor your speech, and they will bring people to you. That is the best way. So harness the power of the county, regional, and statewide bar associations because they're looking for speakers. They want events. And if you go to them and you go to the executive directors pitching a specific speech, 8 times out of 10, they'll take you up on your offer. It's a great way of starting to build a speaking profile. That's it for today. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.